Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with the giveaway. So we're looking for a home for Simply Summer from Fort Worth Fabric Studios. It's a table runner. So here's all the names. We have 39 people. Go ahead. We're going to plug it in. So let's see what it looks like. This is the counter.
Random.
Uh-huh.
Oh, lovely glare there. Did
So
you see it? Okay.
Let's find out.
So
and
then,
wait a minute. Whoever the winner is, you're going to mail your information to kathyskutekreations@gmail.com. I'll put it across the thing here if I can. I don't know. I think I can do it still on my phone because I'm doing all my editing on my telephone because it won't work on my computer anymore because it's so old. But anywho, the point is, the sooner that I get it, the sooner we get this mailed out. Okay, let's go.
okay, so we're going to do the random and... Oh, you know what?
Something happened.
No, it's an ad because I don't have ad free.
Now we're gonna wait a second.
Okay.
Don't
All right.
There we go. Number 12. Show them 12.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So number 12 is
It popped to an ad. So
Karen, and how do you pronounce your last name?
Uh-oh.
You think it's
I'm gonna
Yurik?
do that to you.
Is the H silent?
Probably.
U-H-R-I-K?
The uh-oh wasn't for the pronunciation. The uh-oh was I
You
can't
can't read
see
it. Okay, so Karen,
I don't hold it away.
there you be, young lady.
Oh my god.
Alrighty, so email me your address and your telephone number so that if I get to the mailbox, and they all, which I've had happen one other time on me, they get there and they go, we can't find this address. Is this zip code right? And it's like, Bob, I don't know if it's right or not because I know I copied it correct. So if I need to call you immediately to find out, that's what I need to do. So congratulations to Karen and say what? I can't hear you.
You didn't introduce
While I'm
introduce
itching my eye.
ourselves.
Cool, thanks.
I'm
Appreciate
Sherry
it.
from Sherry's Coffee Break, and this is
Megan.
From
Grandma's
house.
Yeah.
From her channel
But
right
I
now.
shouldn't- Oops.
Oh my gosh.
This is what happens
wait,
when
no,
you do this 2 and 3 times
Where-
and then I forgot the
wait,
intro.
wait,
2 or 3 times. This is a lack of sleep for me. I don't know what it is for anybody
And
else.
me, I've been up all
Both
night.
of y'all have been.
Oh, well, I'll talk to you tomorrow then when I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning and I'll be up till 5 o'clock
Anyway.
tomorrow
Wait,
morning.
you
24
ready?
hours.
You ready? We're either the Three Musketeers or the Three Stooges, but in different
You
generations.
can be a stooge. I'll be a
I think you're a
musketeer.
stooge.
I'm not a stooge.
What do y'all say? Your vote counts.
Maybe not
Oh, my.
Stooge, but maybe Scrooge.
And then I'm going to give you which we call this a mystery sandwich out of work. But I have
Excuse me.
an announcement I'm going to make on Saturday. And it's going to be a little bit different. But you guys can watch. Quit whispering in the background. Shh. Anyway, watch and find out what it's going to be on Saturday. Congratulations again, Karen. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.